Hi everyone, I'm Pete, Product Manager here at RYOBI. Today we're going to be talking you through our great range of lawn mowers that we have on offer. From our smallest mowers, perfect for small gardens, to our largest mowers, capable of mowing huge gardens and everything in between. I'll start off by talking about our walk-behind lawn mowers. We have designed each of the products in our range with the end user and applications in mind. We have a mower in the range to suit everyone, with any type of garden. Whether for users with small gardens, where the enhanced manoeuvrability of our OLM 1833 really shines, or at the other end of the spectrum, where our 51cm max power RY36 LMX 51A has all the power and runtime for lawn areas up to 2,000 metres squared. I'm now going to pick out some of our mowers that are available exclusively to you, our authorised retailers. We have a range of new mowers exclusive to our authorised retailers for the 2022 season, and we're excited about the improvements we have made to these new products. We have an 18-volt 40cm mower for users on our 18-volt platform, a max power 40cm mower with power assist for users that need a balance of coverage, power and manoeuvrability. And lastly, a self-propelled max power 46cm mower for users that need unprecedented levels of power and performance. A lot of the improvements we have made to these mowers span all of our new releases. We've really thought about the end user and built in features that really set these mowers apart in terms of the user experience. The first is the vertical storage. We found many users were frustrated when storing mowers by just how much room they take up in a shed or garage. So all of our new mowers are designed to be stored vertically, minimising their footprint when not in use. The handles are telescopic, so setting up and folding down the mower is a breeze. Another frustration for lawnmower users is how awkward removing and emptying grass catchers can be. So we've made it so our bags can pass through the mower handles, meaning no more bending to awkward positions just to remove the bag. We've made the wiring internal on these mowers, meaning the mowers not only have a really clean aesthetic, but there's also no cable to get snagged when mowing close to bushes and trees. On the 46cm mower, we've introduced our one-touch height adjustment system. With the press of a button and the lift of a handle, the height can easily be set to 7 different increments between 25 and 75 millimeters. But the real story here is the improvements we've made around the performance. Firstly, we've completely re-engineered the way our decks are designed. We've looked at the fluid dynamics of how grass is cut and pushed up through a lawnmower to ensure that air flows smoothly around the deck and up into the grass catcher. This gives us 95% bagging efficiency, meaning more time between having to stop to empty the catcher. We've done some great work on the software too, implementing some really clever features that help the users get more out of our mowers. On the 18-volt 40cm mower, for example, with 2 batteries installed, not only do you get extended runtime, but the mower senses the second battery and delivers 20% more power. The same goes for the 36-volt 46cm mower. The massive amounts of power and performance from this mower is what makes us truly believe this can be the mower to attract people away from petrol and experience the benefits that a battery-powered tool offers, from reduced noise to the convenience of not having to fill up petrol cans and mix oil, to fume-free, peaceful mowing. Another cool feature we have on both of our 36-volt mowers is the ability to switch between the 3 inbuilt modes. The first mode is Eco Mode, for less demanding applications. The mode reduces the blade speed in order to extend the runtime of the mower. In Power Mode, the mower runs at full speed, unleashing all the power of the mower for long, dense grass and challenging applications. In the middle of these 2 modes, we have what we call Smart Mode. In this mode, the mower continually senses the cutting conditions and changes the speed of the blade to suit, giving a great balance of runtime and cutting performance. The user panel, where this can be changed, also indicates when the mower is being overloaded, when the grass catcher or mulch plug isn't installed correctly, when the blades need sharpening, and also the state of charge of the batteries. That's all for walk behind mowers. I hope you now understand the benefits that our new additions to the range provide. I'll now hand over to Neil, who will talk you through our exciting robotic lawnmower.
Thanks, Pete. Hi there, my name's Neil and I'm a Senior Product Manager here at RYOBI. When you have a freshly mown lawn, the whole garden looks amazing. Now, imagine looking out of your window and seeing that perfect lawn every time. RYOBI's robotic lawnmower maintains your lawn, allowing you to do other things. You can set the schedule so that the robotic lawnmower will cut your lawn when you're not there. The RYOBI reversible blades mulch the grass into tiny pieces, which is then absorbed back into the lawn as natural fertiliser. And the result is healthier and greener grass with a carpet-like appearance. When the battery is low, or if the cutting schedule is over, the mower drives home where it will recharge, ready to serve you again. Let me take you through some of the other excellent features. The RYOBI robotic lawnmower is powered by the amazing Max Power 36-volt battery system, which gives class-leading run times. And the longer the mower can operate without charging, the quicker the lawn is cut, allowing the family more time to enjoy the finished garden. A smartphone app allows the user to control when and how it cuts and enables you to send it home if you want to use the lawn while it's cutting. And with an IPX5 rating, the mower can withstand even the heaviest of rain. RYOBI's robotic mower has class-leading slope capabilities. With smart wheel control and balanced design, it can cut slopes of up to 24 degrees up and down. Cutting height is adjusted automatically and can be changed effortlessly at the touch of a button. Finally, the RYOBI robotic lawnmower is quiet. At less than 55 decibels, it operates quieter than a conversation, so is never intrusive and can be used at all times. Quiet, smart, easy to use, environmentally friendly. The perfect lawn, all the time. Thanks very much for watching.